Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Russell, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers excellent long-distance relocation. We guarantee the safety and fast delivery of your belongings. Moving over 50 miles involves traveling over different road networks, and only highly experienced drivers can pull that off. Our drivers are well-trained, and they know all the routes and follow every highway instruction. They're also valid drivers and relocation licenses from state and federal authorities. Our movers organize all your belongings and load them safely into the truck. Our trucks are also spacious, and your belongings also fit into them. Also, our insurance coverage guarantees the safety of your belongings. We've also put everything in place to make your move fast and your belongings safe. Local moves are not only as complicated as long-distance moves, but many people experience issues when moving locally. Even if you're moving less than 50 miles, it's easy for things to go wrong without proper preparation. It is essential to hire efficient movers for your local moves, and 3 men in a truck is your best option. Our local moves are swift and thorough, and our team of highly trained professionals are always on standby to attend to your local move. We have a fast response system when you reach out to us. Our local moving rates are also cost-effective. Our hourly rates are as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Russell Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.